Hi guys, I'm Amy.
I'm Brittany.
From Postech team. Brittany, what's the question that people ask us the most?
Well, people really want to know how much a pile costs.
And is that easy for us to answer that question?
No, not at all. That's why we're going to go and visit Matthew at head office so he can explain to us why that question is so difficult to answer.
So let's go.
Hey Matthew,
Hey Britt.
I was wondering why it's so difficult to answer the question of what the price of a pile is.
Well, you see, as you can see around me, we've got about 25 different types of screw piles. We've got long ones, we've got short ones, we've got small blades, we've got big blades. We've got piles for depending on which project you're looking to do. We could do cottages, or we could do just a simple deck. We could do a birdhouse, or we can do an entire home. So that's the reason why it's so difficult to always give out an exact price. It'll depend on your soil type, it'll depend on your construction, it will depend on so many different factors that we just can't give a standard off-the-cuff price. You need to learn about your project.
So really each dealer is setting the price for each project and is able to help people out if they're curious about the price?
Absolutely. So the best way is actually to contact your local dealer and ask them and talk to them about your project. They're going to give you a perfect estimate. They're going to give you exactly what you should be getting into and how much it's going to cost and when they can do it.